In this Vocher, we will discuss fossil fuels.
Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels is a term used to describe a group of energy sources that were formed from ancient plants and organisms during the carboniferous period approximately 360 to 286 million years ago. Even before the age of dinosaurs, at that time the land was covered with swamps filled with organisms and plants. As they died, they sank to the bottom of swamps and oceans, and over millions of years started decomposing under layers of sand, clay, and other minerals. Different types of fossil fuels form depending on the combination of organic matter, temperature, time, and pressure conditions. While decomposing, there are three major types of fossil fuels: coal, oil, natural gas. Coal. Natural gas coal was formed from ferns, plants, and trees which hardened due to pressure, and heat oil was from small organisms like zooplankton and algae. Where pressure caused the more complex organic matter to decompose, natural gas was formed by the same process. Oil only was exposed to more heat and pressure, causing it to further decompose and turn into gaseous form. Fossil fuels are sought after energy resources. Fossil fuels have a variety of applications, from electricity production to transport fuels. They can also be used to make a variety of common products, from plastics to cosmetics to even some medicines. Industrialization over history and continue to do so today. Fossil fuels can be abundant and cheap, or in some cases a scarce and expensive form of energy depending on geographic location. For this reason, geopolitical issues arise due to scarcity by the natural geographic location of those highly valuable resources. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are considered non-renewable resources because they take millions of years to form, which means that once they are used, the resources will not be replenished in a human lifetime. The gradual depletion of the most accessible fossil fuels reserves have forced companies to develop technologies for extracting more challenging or unconventional resources. In many cases, their production causes both environmental and human health issues. These concerns have triggered society to look at alternate sources of energy that are more environmentally sustainable and renewable than fossil fuels. According to Sukusen Somarionda, the use of renewable energy is not yet optimal, including the use of geothermal, because current energy consumption is still dominated by oil, gas, and coal, which are very limited fossil energy. In fact, at the Somarinda, the ability to find large enough oil reserves requires at least 15 until 20 years from exploration to commercial production, up to 50 years. Oil field development takes a long time to build. Meanwhile, the application of new technology in the oil and gas sector requires quite a long time to reach commercial application, he explained. He predicts that at least until 2030, energy consumption will still be dominated by oil, gas, and coal energy. Therefore, new energy related to coal availability needs to be developed immediately, such as coal bed methane, coal gasification, broken coal liquefaction.
Thank you for watching. Hope it's useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.